The Golem of Prague is a creature from Jewish folklore, often depicted as an animated anthropomorphic being, created entirely from inanimate matter, usually clay or mud. The most famous and enduring version of the legend tells of Rabbi Judah Loew ben Bezalel, also known as the Maharal of Prague, a prominent 11th century Talmudic scholar and mystic. The story goes that the Jewish community in Prague in the late 11th century was facing severe persecution. They were subjected to blood libels, false accusations of using Christian blood for rituals, and threats of pogroms, which were violent attacks on Jewish communities. In this dire situation, Rabbi Loew, a man of immense spiritual and scholarly power, decided to create a golem to protect his people. He reportedly performed a series of mystical rituals, invoking divine names and using Kabbalistic incantations, to bring the clay figure to life. The golem, often named Joseph or Yosel, was said to be incredibly strong and obedient. It had no free will or speech. Its sole purpose was to carry out Rabbi Loew's commands, primarily to defend the Jewish quarter and its inhabitants from their persecutors. The golem would patrol the streets, deterring attackers and sometimes even revealing the true culprits behind the false accusations. It was a silent, imposing guardian, a symbol of the community's desperate need for protection and their hope for divine intervention. However, the legend also speaks of the challenges of controlling such a powerful entity. The golem had to be deactivated on the Sabbath, the day of rest, to prevent it from performing work. This was typically done by removing a sham, a piece of parchment with a divine name inscribed on it, from the golem's mouth or forehead. In some versions of the story, there are accounts of the golem growing too powerful or becoming uncontrollable, sometimes even going on a rampage. This often led to Rabbi Loew having to permanently deactivate it. One popular tale describes how the golem became violent and started destroying property, forcing the rabbi to trick it into deactivation, after which its remains were stored in the attic of the Old New Synagogue in Prague, where it is said to remain to this day, ready to be reawakened if needed. The Golem of Prague is more than just a fantastical tale, it's a rich tapestry of themes and interpretations. Firstly, it speaks to persecution and self-preservation. The legend emerged from a historical context of real and constant threats against Jewish communities in Europe. The golem represents a yearning for a protector, a divine or semi-divine intervention in the face of overwhelming danger. Secondly, it delves into the limits of human creation and control. The golem is a creation that mirrors humanity but lacks a soul or moral compass. It's a powerful tool, but one that can easily get out of hand, raising questions about the responsibility that comes with wielding immense power, and the potential consequences of tampering with life itself. This resonates with later stories like Frankenstein, where the creator loses control of his creation. Thirdly, it touches upon mysticism and the power of the divine word. The creation of the golem is not merely a scientific endeavor but a deeply spiritual and Kabbalistic act. It underscores the belief in the power of sacred texts, divine names, and ritual to influence the physical world. Finally, the Golem of Prague embodies the enduring resilience and hope of the Jewish people. Even in the darkest of times, the story offers a glimmer of hope that help will arrive, and that through faith and ingenuity, one can overcome adversity. It's a story that has been passed down through generations, adapted, and reinterpreted, reflecting the changing times and ongoing struggles. While the golem is most strongly associated with Prague, its influence extends throughout European culture, appearing in literature, film, and art, symbolizing artificial intelligence, the dangers of unchecked power, and the eternal human desire for a protector. It remains a powerful and haunting figure, a testament to the enduring power of myth and its ability to reflect the deepest fears and aspirations of humanity.